G'day all. Just want to see if this PM Research glass engine has enough oomph to run this windmill. I've got it set up. I've had to put the glass engine on another wooden plinth here because the drive band wire was just rubbing on one of those cross stays. So I've got metho in there and I'll light her up now. Just give that a couple of seconds to warm that heat exchanger up. And I think it goes this way. Yeah, that way. Come on. Just line that up a bit better. Put a bit of tension on it. Got that spinning. Oh, there we go. It's turning the windmill. I wasn't sure if it would have enough oomph in it, but it's easily doing it. Actually feel a bit of wind coming off that windmill. I put bearings in that axle. You just see in there, you can see the bearings a little bit. It makes it run very smooth. The pump itself is fake. And there's the PM Research glass engine. Easily running this As always, thanks for watching.